Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. The main event of the last night was the RBA interest rate decision and the monetary policy statement. As you can see, the Reserve Bank of Australia had hiked the interest rate more than expected from 0.1% to 0.55%, which is more than 0.24%. So another bank is on the mission to hike their interest rate. We will definitely take a look at the Australian dollar later on. During the London session, we got the data from the Germany in form of the unemployment rate and employment change, and then of course we got the PMI manufacturing data from the UK producer price index and unemployment rate from the Eurozone are scheduled for release at 11 a.m. During the New York session, there isn't many data scheduled for release, job openings and factory orders. However, at 11 p.m. we got a Reserve Bank of New Zealand financial stability report, which might be very, very important. So definitely we will take a look at the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar in the technical part today. So let's get started with the Australian dollar. The daily time frame chart of the Australian dollar after the interest rate decision shows the big green candle that is trying to break above the level of 7,141. From that level here, when the recent rally had been completed, then after this small correction towards the whole room here and empty spaces toward 7,053 pips. This is very nice down wave on the Australian dollar. As you can see, it recently hit the extremely oversold market conditions as well. The RSI is on the level of 26, was on the level of 26 points. So this means that when we broke below 7,070 pips and made a low at 7,031 pips, that was extremely oversold. The main technical support is seen at 6,992, and there was about 31 and 10, 42 pips miss from bears after the strong downward was made. So this level is still on table. Why? Because as you can see here, the market is trying to bounce above the lower channel line and go back inside the channel. However, it doesn't. However, there is no avail whatsoever yet. All of these levels here must be updated. So all of the old ones will be now cancelled. Where is the next? Where's the next technical resistance level? Let me just swipe down. I guess that the best technical resistance is around the level of 7,168. Of course, all of those levels will now be technical resistance as well. 7,141, and the resistance is 7,088. It all depends when on what level and when the daily time frame chart candle will close, basically. And if this candle is green, then of course we have a bullish reversal. We have of course the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. We might enter the channel back on again, but we need to break above 7,168. If this candle turns out to be red, or will have a big upper wick, then of course we should be expecting 6,992 sooner or later, better sooner than later anyway, because this is where the market is heading in the nearest future. So that was the outlook for the Australian dollar. Let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar. Daily time frame chart of the New Zealand dollar is showing the signs of this weakness, and it's been like that for quite some time right now. If we extend our short-term trend line here, you can see that after the breakout out of this channel and breakout below the channel beginning, so right now we don't need this channel anymore whatsoever, the bearish pressure is very intense. We hit the extremely oversold market conditions at 22 points on the RSI, and we broke below the technical support at 6,502 pips. Right now the lower low and lower low and swing low is at 6,409 pips, and we are heading towards 6,379 pips. This is the technical support, the next important technical support for this market. Let me just remove a couple of the unimportant technical resistance level. This one might stay here, this one will stay here as well, this one is good as well, so let me keep this one. Of course 6,587 stays here, and right now the level of 6,527 is the technical resistance, together with a big thick green line of 6,502 pips. So right now this level is invalidated, I mean it's broken, and the next target is 6,379. We had a false breakout here, so we can see that the market respects and recognizes this channel. So let's just extend our channel a little bit. As you can see, we are out of the channel basically, right? We are out of the channel. The market tries to be back inside the channel, but it doesn't actually have the enough strength to do so, and it looks like this right now. Plenty of red candles, plenty of big red candles, including the bearish engulfing. So sooner or later the level of 6,379 will be hit. Let's just find out if we have any other technical support for the New Zealand dollar. There isn't any. I mean, I can't see any technical support whatsoever, so maybe we should just zoom out and take a look at some older data. There you go. Where is the next support? Is 6,379 is violated, and this support is way lower. The other one is around 6,173, 6,125, and maybe 6,100. So please be careful right now with these levels on the New Zealand dollar. Keep an eye on 6,379. This is the support from 2020, the middle of the 2020, and it might not hold. So it will be better to keep an eye on this level just in case if it gets violated. Okay, so last but not least, let's take a look what is doing spot gold market. Daily time frame chart of spot gold market is doing exactly what we have in our scenario, and the wave C has not been completed yet. I guess that we are going lower towards the 1,821 level in order to complete A, B, C corrective pattern. We had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now we are finishing with wave 5 into the extremely oversold conditions. So please keep an eye on the gold market right now, because all of these levels that you can see here are now the technical resistance levels, including the 61% Fibonacci extension. Let me just remove this one so we don't need it anymore. There you go. And the technical, of course, resistance is located at 1,877, and now 1,856 is the technical support, immediate technical support. However, it will be broken very soon. Very interesting candle here, confirms our point of view. Big pin bar kind of a candle. So the matter of the hitting the level of 1,821 is just a question of time. If that will happen today or tomorrow or to the end of the week, it looks pretty certain the market is getting there, and it will hit this level sooner or later. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.